Wow, what a beautiful flower is this. I guess मैं किसको दे सकती थी. Hi guys, welcome back my channel. Learning is fun with Sai. Hope you're fine, healthy and as cute as till now. So today I just got this flower. ये मत पूछो कहाँ से मिला कौन दिया. But I got this flower. Can you see the color of this flower? How beautiful it is. And the green leaves, the green stems, isn't it? It's looking very beautiful, no? Yeah. But why I'm talking about this flower? Are you thinking I'm going to teach you science? No. I'm not taking the place of a science teacher. Rather, we are going to describe about this beautiful flower. Why? Because the next part of speech is adjectives. So today we are going to describe the beautiful persons, the beautiful items, the things, and we are going to know more about the types of adjectives. Wait, किस लिए? शुरू करते हैं? So let's know what defines the adjective. As I said, this red rose is literally beautiful. So here is the description. A word that describes a noun or a pronoun is known as adjective. जो एक word it describes about a noun or a pronoun. So here I am holding the rose. What I said, I have a beautiful red rose in my hand. So this beautiful concept and it defines the color of the rose. It gives the beauty of the rose. It clears us about this beautiful rose. So when I am describing about this flower, here I am showing the adjective. Here I am explaining the kind of adjective. So adjective definition is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun is known as adjectives. ये तो आप समझ गए with the example I have a beautiful red rose in my hand. But now you will be asking, ma'am, beautiful red rose in my hand, why you use these kinds of words in the adjective? We know it's a describing, but can you please categorize all these words? What are the different words coming under different categories? Definitely. As we have studied in the part of nouns, as we have studied in the part of pronouns, there were different children under the mother of nouns and pronouns. ये जो adjective है, ये chapter के पापा है. So this particular adjective is the father of this particular chapter. And this father consists of many children. Who are they? Let's go for it. So here we are coming to the first son of this father adjective. What is the son name? Qualitative or descriptive adjective. These particular two terms are the same. Qualitative or descriptive children, these two kinds of words are actually the same. But वो connect हुए हैं दो नाम से. So what it defines? It tells us about the quality of a person or a thing or a place. It describes about a person. It tells about the persons. What it includes? It may be including about the part of characteristics, color, size, shapes, feelings, etc. If we will be saying, Sai is a good teacher, that means you're describing about the personality, about the characteristics of Sai. She is a good English teacher. We can say the red rose is beautiful. That means here you're coming to the part of color. Which rose? That is the red rose is beautiful. You're describing about the rose. You're describing about the person. So the first particular adjective, qualitative or descriptive adjective, gives us the idea. It defines that the quality of a person, thing or a place. That means it describes about a person, thing or a place. Now we will be coming to the next part of the adjective. So the next son, if we will be speaking, is about adjective of quantity. So this adjective of quantity, it tells us about how much of a thing we are talking about. What I said, adjective of quantity is giving us the idea that it tells us how much of a thing we are talking about. That means about the quantity. कितना मात्रा में हम उसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं. We talk about a thing over here. For example, if I will be saying, I have some food in my tiffin box. That means मेरे tiffin box में कुछ थोड़ा सा खाना बचा है. We will be not saying I have 1 or 2 or 3 food in the tiffin box. We will be not counting that. We will be using the words like some, little, enough. Another example, add little sugar to my tea. I never say that, please add 2, 3 small sugars in my tea. No, I used to tell add little sugar. That means maybe थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो सकता है या थोड़ा कम, लेकिन add little sugar to the tea. So these particular words, some, little, enough, all these words are being used to show the adjective of quantity. कितना मात्रा में. Now we will be coming to the next part is about adjective of numbers. You know what do you understand by the numbers? I know you have studied in the mathematics. 1 or 2 or 3 or 5, isn't it? These are the numbers. So what it shows, they tell us how many people think places we are talking about. कितने किसके किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, कितनों के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. For that we use the words like 5, 2, 3. Okay, for example, if I will be telling 5 fingers are not same. Can you see my 5 fingers? They are not same. So here I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this particular adjective of number shows the exact number. They give us the idea about the exact number. So the definition is about that. They tell us how many people or thing or the places we are talking about. So the first is quantity. कितने मात्रा. This adjective of quantity shows that. Adjective of numbers shows कितने numbers में उन लोग है. The places or things or the names. Or we can say the person. Next, let's move to the part of interrogative and demonstrative. So the next part of adjective is demonstrative adjective. आपको याद है demonstrative क्या है? I have done in the part of somewhere nouns or pronouns. Demonstrative means they point out the exact thing or person we are talking about. The specific person, that specific thing we are pointing about. For example, this is my pen. ये जो pen है, ये मेरा है. So I am indicating, I am pointing out, I am specifying this particular pen. This is my pen. That is a beautiful rose. That means to my distant place, I see a beautiful rose. And that is my eye catching. It's just literally I can see that beautiful flower. So that I use, that is the beautiful rose. So difference about this and that is, this is being used for the closest distance, okay, the closer things, and the part of that is being used for the far distance. These and those are also used for the part of plural form. So the words like this, that, this, those, ये सारे words are being indicating to the part of demonstrative adjective. That means which particularly point out to a particular person or a thing. Next is about interrogative adjective. The word interrogative itself says कहाँ, क्यों, कैसे, किधर, कब. अरे यार, that shows about to ask questions. What is your name? Who is he? Where are you from? So all these words, which, what, who, when, why, all this question is giving us the part of interrogative adjective. WH form giving us the word of interrogative adjective. तो क्या याद रखें आप? Demonstrative adjective is indicating to a particular, to an exact person or a thing. This is my cat. That is my bag. Okay, and this interrogative adjective is showing us to ask the question. What is the name? Where are you from? The WH part is indicating to the part of interrogative adjective. So you can note down this particular meanings of demonstrative and interrogative. The last term, the last son, is about possessive adjective. So the word possessive, as we have already studied earlier, that gives us the idea of possessing something. That means the ownership. ये मेरा है, मेरा ही रहेगा. So this possessive adjective tell us who something or someone belongs to. For example, if I will be saying my pen is black, Sorry, it's blue. My plane is actually blue. That means this pen belongs to me. And the color is blue. They are our parents. That means I am referring to my parents. These parents, the parents who are standing behind me, they are mine. So the word are, my, these kinds of words are giving us the idea about possessive adjectives. That means jo or koi bhi, the thing or a person which belongs to us is giving us the idea of possessive adjectives. So today what we have studied, we have covered the part of descriptive adjective that tells us, that describes us, that elaborates us about a person, place or thing. Next we studied about the demonstrative adjective that particularly shows or point out to a particular thing or a person. Interrogative adjective, it giving us the idea kahan, kaun, kaise, kyun, okay. And next we studied about the adjective of number, adjective of quantity. Kitne, how much, how many, isn't it? Last but not the least, we studied about possessive adjectives which shows that belongs to someone. Okay, so there we have completed the types of adjectives. What is adjective? So in the next class we will be coming to the part degrees of comparison. कंपैरिजन मतलब पता है ना, जो कंपेयर करते हैं, वो ऐसा है, वो तुम्हारे से ऐसा अच्छा पढ़ता है. So all these comparisons we will be going to study in the next class. So till then, kindly follow my channel, kindly follow the part of adjectives. Keep supporting, keep loving me. Likes, comments, जो भी करना है आप करिए. But be healthy, be safe, stay at home and study my channel. Learning is fun with Sai. Thank you.